good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my boat ride this morning. Get yourself a coffee, it's going to be a long day. When you put it away. 2 days ago I did really good. Well, yesterday I didn't fish. The day before I fished, the fishing was really slow. Nothing to speak of. The day before was really good. Got some nice salmon that I did keep. I picked up a couple of bass that I did keep. I kept the bass for one reason only this time of year. I take them back to the cabin and I have a rhubarb patch and I feed the rhubarb with the dead bass. I dig a hole, bury it on all sides of the... I try to get 2-3 bass a year, 4 bass a year, then remember it and feed the rhubarb. I'm just getting a rhubarb patch started up here. Again, I killed a really good rhubarb patch when I built the cabin for my daughter and my grandsons. I killed the rhubarb patch when I built the little cabin for my daughter and her family, her husband and the grandsons. I had a nice rhubarb patch there and I moved it and it died. Well, it didn't really die, it just hasn't done very good since. So I'm going to walk a fish to it and see if that'll help it out. later on today, we're out. I expect things to be different out here today. We had hard rain yesterday, along with, you know, hard wind and all that. So that turns the lake over, plus changes the temperature up here on the surface. Oh crap, I just realized I left my coat back in the truck. Wow, it's gonna be a rough one. I do have an extra coat in my watertight bag, so I guess we'll be digging that out. The wind has been out of the, let's see, the southwest for the last 2 days. And now the wind is coming out of the north. So it's got a little bit more bite to it. What I like about the old motors is the adjustment screw for low speed. This is an 8 horse and it has an adjustment screw that sticks out the front of the motor so I can adjust it myself. You know, different things change how a motor runs. Mainly the temperature of the water. This time of year the water's really cold, so when you want to idle down, you know, you got extremely cold water going through that motor. So I can adjust that adjustment just a little bit, and boy, it really works good. The newer motor, they don't allow that anymore. It's factory set, and you can't even really get at the carburetor to even find. I don't even know if there is a fine screw adjustment anymore. It'd be nice if there was, I'll tell you. If there is, it'd be nice to know which one it is, because that's a good motor, runs good, but sometimes it doesn't like to idle that great. You know, like for toad fishing, lake trout fishing, I need to go less than a mile an hour, mile and a half, mile and a quarter, sometimes even less than that. So it's nice to be able to set the adjustment screw to get the motor to run smoothly, you know, and still be idled down to almost where it wants to shut off. Well, you guys have a great day. I'm still fishing, and I will see you next week in the next video.